Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today a vendor sent me another great product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Great product. Everybody that has an RV needs one of these. You just need it. It's not an if. It's not a maybe. You need one of these. If you're ever going to visit friends, family, relatives, and park your RV in their driveway or somewhere where there is not a big 30 amp connector or a big 50 amp connection, but you're going to sleep in their driveway and you're going to sleep somewhere where there's not big connections, but you can find 110. Now, you can plug this in to the 110 connection, and you can plug this end into your RV. Now, you can't run, your air conditioner, things of that nature, but you can keep your lights on, you can keep your refrigerator on, and you can run a few little things. This will keep things running. Just no big air conditioners. You could cook in there if you have gas. You can run your lights. You can run your refrigerators. You need one of these. Trust me, if you're an RVer, it's not an if. Go out and get one today.